How to get the blue check mark on Instagram. So in this video, I'll show you how you can actually get that feature as of the new update on Instagram, and I'll be showing you step by step on how you can actually get that feature. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get right into the first step on how you can go ahead and get this. Now for the first step, you're actually going to want to go ahead and update your Instagram. Now, it's very important that you actually update to the newest version because Instagram does bring out a lot of newest features for Instagram. So just make sure that you're currently up to date. So once you've done that, click open on the Instagram application. And once you're here on the homepage, head over to your profile page for the second step and go to the top right hand corner and click the three lines. Now here, you'll be able to see a bunch of options. Now the third to last option should be an option called Meta Verified. Now when you click on it, it's going to come up with a page, but then redirect you to another page that says join the waitlist for Meta Verified. So here you can actually go ahead and join the waitlist to actually purchase $14.99 a month to get the Meta Verified blue check mark. So here you'll be able to acquire the blue check mark, and basically it'll know, or it'll tell people that you are authentic and you are real. So it'll avoid impersonation with your active accounts and stuff. So essentially that's how you go ahead and get the blue check mark on Instagram. It's actually really easy. You're just gonna have to join the waitlist until then, and then they'll go ahead and give you the blue check mark once you paid for it. So if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you guys until next time.